Well, I wasn't going to make another video until it was all done, but I figure I'll go ahead and get this thing welded out. Still got to burn out gussets for that. But yeah, we're going to getting some weld put in with the 350P over there. Run pulse 9010 gas. So we'll get to it. Hands start getting a little hot around here, but for everybody going, "Oh, you can't weld downhill. That's not going to hold." Shut up. For the purpose it is, it'll burn in.
We'll just move on from that for now. All right, so last thing I got to do, I just got it all welded out. I am going to go ahead and drill and tap all these little collars here for the top tines to accept a grease shirt like this here. I got this kit on Amazon for, I don't know, I think it was about $18. Comes with all different sizes and everything. You got some 45s and some straights. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill those out. I'm gonna put the 1/4 inch in. And so for a 1/4 20, I'm gonna need a 13/64 drill bit. Okay, so that concludes this for now. I'll work on this one. Might have to just cut that bolt because I had a longer bolt. Somehow I got it in here probably when everything was loose. And so I'll get that out, tap that, clean it all up, paint it, hydraulic lines, be good to go. Thanks for watching.